everyone, welcome back to my channel and welcome to part 2 of things that I'm excited to wear this spring. My name is Monique. If you haven't subscribed to this channel yet, I would really appreciate it if you'd like to take the time and subscribe. So as mentioned, for part 2, I'm going to reveal to you the bags that I got from Prada. I don't know why I don't have a Prada bag in my collection, but that has changed now because I don't only have one, I have 2 to reveal to you. I know that I had Prada bags in the past. These were, I think, seasonal pieces that I got pre-loved and I let them go as soon as I was not really fond of them anymore. So my bag collection kind of changes a little bit other than the Chanel pieces and the Hermes. Most of the time I do make sure to let go pieces when I'm buying new pieces. So for this, I definitely going to let go a piece or 2. But we're not here for that. We're here for the Prada bags that I'm going to show you. I'm so excited. First one. This one. I don't think you could guess what's in this box because I surprised myself too. But I did manage to get the Prada triangle bag with the crystals in black. Oh my god, I have no words. I mean, what is more iconic than the triangle bag? This bag comes in so many colors, but I think the black makes the crystals a little bit muted. Not so much, but it's still a little bit okay, I think, because it's in black. I know I'm late to the game. Everyone has had their crystal bags in their collection, but look at this guy. Oh my god. And at night, this baby sparkles even more. So, it goes like that. I can actually make the strap longer and make it kind of like a crossbody that falls a little short. I plan to style this bag very casually. Even though it's crystals, I want to wear this bag with like jeans and t-shirt during the day and be very casual about it. And yeah, so this is the Prada triangle bag in the black crystal. Oh my god. So the bag also comes with this strap, which I can wear as a shoulder bag. Let's see how the inside looking like. Here's the dust bag. So it's just one pocket on the inside. It says it has this plaque. I don't know if you can see. It just says Prada made in Italy. There's no zipper compartment. It's such a small bag. I don't think you need a zipper compartment on the inside. It's a good size for the phone. I love the black crystal in the re-edition 2005 bag as well. But I feel like if I want to get the re-edition bag in the future, I would love to get it in just a plain nylon without the crystals so I can keep it forever. But yeah, it's so cute. So the next bag is not as surprising. I think it's very, very me. I don't think you'll be surprised. Let's jump right in. And of course, it's the mini Galleria tote in white. The Galleria tote is of course in the Saffiano leather, which is the leather that is unique to Prada. It is kind of like a textured leather. Very, very durable, really, really beautiful. I don't have a white bag in my collection. I do have one vintage Chanel black and white crossbody flat bag, but that is a lambskin. And I haven't worn that bag in years because one time I wore it with navy sweater and it was just like a random sweater. And the navy from the sweater bled to the leather of the bag because it was lambskin. I was horrified. I managed to take the blue off the bag, but that kind of like scared me because white bags are really, really sensitive, especially Chanel lambskin, I guess. So I've been wanting to have a white bag in my collection that I can wear daily and not having to be afraid of color transfer. And I think Louis Vuitton Epi is another good example of a leather that you can go with the color white without having to worry. And Saffiano, I think it's going to be as durable. It is just gorgeous. I'm actually not a big fan of the Galleria tote because they used to come in like those normal size, kind of like work bag. I always thought that it looks really boring and it's just really office type, because I see so many people carry it for, you know, office, and I don't really like those kind of bags. But the mini size is so adorable. It's so cute, and they have the black as well. It's cute, but I don't need another black bag in this size. I have my Fendi Peekaboo, but I do need a white bag. And this is the strap. It comes with this more sporty strap with a pouch, which is detachable, and I can always change it with another strap as well. I love the more sporty strap. I think it's really cute and it makes it more casual and less stuffy. I plan to carry it a lot top handle in the summer. I think it's really cute for that. Here is the tiny dust bag that it comes with, and this is how it looks like on the inside. It has black lining. Also has the authenticity card. This is the Saffiano Luxe. This is how it looks like on the inside. I'll do a first impression on what fits in another video for both of these bags. It has a zipper compartment in the back, and then it has this little compartment in the front, which is really good for, it's not really for the phone, I feel like, but I can like maybe fit like my card holder, like the Calvi card holder. I feel like can fit in there. It's a really good size. I have a lot of bags in this size, in this kind of like style top handle two-way strap kind of thing, so it's something that I know I can work with on the daily basis. It has this button on the side, so you can open it up and make it slightly more roomy if you want to. I mean look at it, it's just so cute. And I finally have a white bag in my collection that is durable and I don't have to worry so much about wearing it. And voila, this is why you should never say never, because I did say I would never get the Galleria tote, but I do love this size. Now, will I ever get the medium size or the larger size? I don't know. I don't know. Just never say never, I guess. You never know. So that is my video for today. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Please leave a comment down below and like this video if you like it. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on my next one. Bye.